Alright, only a few bottles left over from other demos. Cold Steel Espada coming out to play. Cheers to you all. Hey, what's up, knife people? Out here today in the early morning, we've got the Cold Steel Espada pocket sword. A little bit of fun with the Espada. How many videos have I made on the Espada? Quite a few. I hope you enjoy this bottle massacring action. I'll roll in the footage. The blade is faster than the eye. Oh, which hand? Ashtray for you. I've always had fast hands. That was the last bottle. I hope you enjoyed. Check out the links below. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed it better than those bottles did, because they didn't at all. I sent them to the cold, dark hell where dreams do not exist. Underneath the video, for your convenience, I'll list some new Cold Steel items, right, and some old classics. Consider subscribing if you are an insane sociopath with no friends. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Right? Men of culture. You are blade enthusiasts of history and martial arts. Subscribe.